This is the Ernovo 4-in-1 portable vacuum cleaner, and at a price of under £90, it's certainly a cheap alternative to a Dyson or any other competitive model on the market. So in the box you're getting quite a bit: a motorised floor brush, the extension tubes, a crevice tool, a soft dust brush, combination tool, the power adapter, and finally the docking station. So the Hoover has a 2200 mAh battery, and that delivers around 35 minutes of fade-free battery life on a single charge, and surprisingly, to charge this it only takes 3 hours. The battery is detachable, so you do not need to take the whole Hoover when in need of charging. You can just simply take the battery. You do have a fantastic floor docking station, so if you want to take advantage of being able to have this more conveniently placed, then you can. It allows for a clean, cable-free look, and it really does keep things nice and tidy. Inside you've got a 150 watts digital motor with 9 kPa max suction. So partnered up with a 600ml dustbin, you can get plenty of suction and storage place for the sucked up material. So the tube is more than an efficient length to allow for manoeuvrable cleaning and versatility. You'll be able to reach high surfaces with ease, and thanks to it being extremely lightweight, you won't struggle to have this above your head. With plenty of different add-ons, you have a huge range of versatility on how you can actually use it, be it on stairs or tight corners. With a handful of attachments, you'll be able to hoover the way you want. That motorised floor brush not only gives out a perfect visual aid with the LEDs on front, but it also allows for the brushes to pick up deep dirt and remove it with ease. Not to mention the head is perfect for manoeuvrability. You can go in multiple directions. You'd think that cheap price would come with an adequate performance, but to be honest, I was pleasantly surprised just on how much this thing can really pick up. It's got a good suction to it. You do have two options. One press of the button will activate low power suction, and the other click will perform a much more powerful clean. The suction produced is more than capable of sucking up heavier material, and you really get to see that perform. It's very simple to empty. All you need to do is flick up the cap and tip. What's also fantastic is the filter is washable and allows for long use. Every part is cleanable and just simply clips away. It's an extremely versatile Hoover, offering you a whole range of cleaning at a reasonable price. My only worry was going to be that suction power, and to be fair, it delivers more than a sufficient amount for general cleaning throughout your house. For under £90, it's certainly a budget option to consider. Till next time.